Really big storm. North, look at that, full cloud. Good. Paul, that tower is above this anvil. Storm.
That's heading right this way.
It is? Looks like it's gonna go to the south.
Yeah. Oh, and another one starting to go up behind it.
Look at the hook on that one that's way up to the north.
Yeah. Well, taking pictures.
Look at that scud just going right up into there. Paul, look what's happening. These two storms are merging. I was trying to tell you, these two storms are coming together. But look at that. Look at that spot right there.
Yeah.
Look at that rising motion of that scud. Technically now on the back side of this storm. Yeah.
Winds.
We just had, look, there's a piece still right there.
Yep.
A few more pieces just came down, I think, too. So we've had pea-sized hail, just slightly larger than pea-sized hail. And we have some strong winds.
Yeah. Oh.
See the other storm that's to our south. Has the radar updated yet? It has. Wow, look at that little Boeing structure going into Vermont.
That's what just came through here. And this is about to come through too.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, look at the backside of that cell. Beautiful storm right there. Beautiful structure. Yeah, but I think it was just Paul and I thinking up here that day.
So I've been here every time since I moved in.
Okay. Huh? Oh my God, it's a beautiful structure. Incredible structure. I mean, or something? Perfect structure. It is zoomed out. Holy shit. Oh God, there's another storm down there. Oh God, they're all lining up. I don't think the outflow from that's gonna start messing with it too soon. There's some scud rising. Hey, Paul. Yeah. Or moisture from there. I don't know. These things strong, but it does look like the wall cloud is deteriorating. Another thing to look out for is this storm down here. I don't know how well that organized that is, but it has a huge anvil. Now we got a nice view of the backside.
Yeah.
She said.